Changing role of public sector. Post-independence, public sector enterprises have played an active role in achieving goals of the economy. Development of infrastructure. Road, sea, rail and air transportation expanded and contributed significantly to industrialization and future growth. Give infrastructure and investments to the core sectors of the economy. Regional balance. Government laid down the 5-year plan after 1951 to pay attention to particularly those areas which were lagging behind. 4 major steel plants were established to ensure employment for the laborers and development of ancillary industries. Economies of scale. Public sector enterprises had to step in where large-scale industries required to be established to take benefit of economies of scale. Petroleum, natural gas, electric power plants, and telephone industries are a few examples of public sector enterprises establishing large-scale units. Tab over concentration of economic power. The public sector keeps a tab over concentration of economic power in the hands of private sector enterprises. By setting up large-scale industries which need vast capital investment, whose income is shared among huge number of workers, public sector prevents the concentration of power in the hands of private sector. Import substitution. With the involvement of public sector in heavy engineering, India became self-reliant in importing and exporting goods from and to other countries. Government policies towards public sector since 1991. Revive and restructure potential PSUs, close public sector enterprises, which cannot be restructured or revived. Government equity in all non-strategic public enterprise were brought down to 26%. Complete protection of the interests of workers.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.